Atoms are the smallest thing in the universe, right? Well, not exactly. Electrons are smaller, so surely they are the smallest thing in the universe. That is not exactly the case. But to prove this, we need to ask the question, what are protons and neutrons made of? The standard model of elementary particles show all the smallest particles that makes everything up. These particles are called quarks. These words and drawings may seem confusing and irrelevant, and they are confusing, but definitely not irrelevant. Let's look at a proton more closely. Now, we know that the charge of a proton is positive 1. In a proton, there are 3 quarks. 2 of them are up quarks, and the other one is a down quark. This is what deduces the charge of the proton. A down quark has a charge of negative 1 over 3, and an up quark has a charge of positive 2 over 3. Since there are 2 up quarks and 1 down quark in a proton, we can add the charges of each one. 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1, which is the overall charge of a proton. This is how basic subatomic particles are made, but we can see that there are 4 quarks and other 11 particles in that chart that we haven't talked about yet. This is because this is a whole new branch of chemistry and quantum mechanics that is still being studied today. Now, on the standard model of elementary particles, we can see that there are electrons in a completely different group of particles, with a thing called an electron neutrino below it. Well, I'm not able to explain the exact reasons why electrons are there right now. I can give you a brief explanation. The electron is known to be 1,840 times smaller than a proton or a neutron. This value is so small that we think that it is a fundamental particle, and that there's nothing inside of it. This is why it is on the list of fundamental particles. I hope that has given you a new and improved understanding of the smallest things in our universe, but before I end the video, I want you to think about, what could quarks be made of? And are quarks really the smallest things, or can we go smaller?